Let's discuss distance formula. Distance between any two points px1 y1 and qx2 y2 is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, this is the distance formula. See derivation. Here any two points are P and Q. P and Q lie on the plane. Okay. For suppose this is P. This point is Q. Okay. Here P and Q are lie on the plane. Okay. Draw x and y axis. This point is P. x1, y1, Q. x2, y2. Okay. Here we have to find distance between PQ. Okay. Distance between P and Q. Draw perpendicular line on x-axis from point P. Okay. This is a perpendicular line. Next, draw a perpendicular line on x-axis from point Q. Okay. Next, naming this figure P, Q or S. Next, draw a perpendicular line on QS from point P. This is a perpendicular line. Meeting point is T. Okay. This point is let T. Okay. Here point P x1 comma y1. We know x1. x1 is perpendicular distance from the y-axis. Okay. This distance is x1. Okay. This is a x1. Next x2. x2 is the perpendicular distance from the y-axis is x2. This distance is x2. Okay. This is x1. This total distance is x2. So PT. PT is x2 minus x1. Okay. PT is x2 minus x1. Okay. PT equal to x2 minus x1. In same way, y1. y1 is perpendicular distance from the x-axis is y1. PR is y1. Okay. Next, y2. y2 is the perpendicular distance from the x-axis is y2. QS is y2. This distance is y1. This total distance is y2. So, QT is y2 minus y1 is QT. Okay. QT is y2 minus y1. Okay. See. Here triangle PTQ. PTQ is a right angle triangle. Apply Pythagoras theorem. From triangle PTQ. PTQ is the right angle triangle. From Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Here hypotenuse is PQ. PQ square equal to side is PT. PT square plus QT square. Okay. We know PT square is x2 minus x1. PT equal to x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 whole square. QT. QT is y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. So here we have to find PQ. PQ equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance between any 2 points formula. Okay? Is it clear? Distance formula we can also write PQ equal to root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay, both are same. x2. Hence, distance between any 2 points formula is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, is it clear?